Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at this Emergency Fire Kit Capsule. This is something you bring about when you might be going hiking, camping or bushcrafting, and you might not want to bring a full fire kit, but it's always important to have fire making capabilities. So this is one compact package that it's very safe, it's waterproof, and has everything you need in the event you might need to start a fire. You could keep this in your pouch, in your pack, or you can even attach it on the outside with a carabiner. So let's break down what's inside and on this fire kit. So the first thing you'll notice, of course, is this lanyard, and this isn't just regular paracord. This is a special fire cord, and it's made by a company called PS Cook, and this particular one actually has 10 strands inside. So regular paracord has 7 strands, and it does have the 7 regular nylon strands, but it's got an extra fire tinder strand, which is great for a fire extender. There's a fishing line and also cotton thread for repairs and such. So very useful to just do a cobra knot like this, kind of a lanyard on the outside. If you need it, just take it apart and you've got your cordage and your fire tinder as needed. But let's open up inside and have a look. So there is a O-ring on the outside, so it makes everything waterproof. On the inside of the lid, I've kept some jute rope. So jute is a great tinder. As you can see, there are multiple strands. What you do is you open it up, you tease it up to kind of a bird's nest, and you can easily start a fire with a spark or with some kind of flame. I have some cotton wool here. This really serves 2 purposes. One, to fill up the space, but also again, you have dry cotton wool, which is also a tinder. And as you can see, I've packed quite a few things inside. Let's grab this first. Okay, this is basically just a striker for the ferro rod that we have inside. It's a magnesium and fire rod or ferro rod, which I'll show you in just a bit. But I've got a knife. So a knife is very important to process wood. Now generally, if you're going camping, hiking or bushcrafting, you will have your primary knives. But just in case, again, this is an emergency backup kit. It's always good to have a blade inside. And I found this nice EDC blade, which really takes up very little space. It's not the best knife in terms of the blade steel or even the purchase and ergos, but remember, this is just for emergency and survival, and I sharpened it up as well, so it is there if I do need it. Next up, we've got more tinder in the form of cotton infused with petroleum jelly and sealed up in this straw. So got a lot of package. I think I've got about 1.5 balls of cotton wool inside, infused with that Vaseline, so that's really good tinder. I've got the magnesium and ferro rod combination over here, and that's used in conjunction with the striker. You can scrape off that magnesium, which burns very hot, and then you can get sparks with the scraper and the ferro rod over here. I've got kindling in the form of this wax jute, and I just did a video yesterday to explain how to make this wax jute. So if you missed that video, do check out the link in the card above or the description below. And I've got 2 of them, I believe. Yes, I do. I've got a trick birthday candle. This is sort of candle that you light, and even if it blows out, it relights itself. So again, useful to have in a fire kit. And finally, I have 4 or 5 stormproof or weatherproof matches with a striking surface here. And of course, these are self-explanatory. Use them when maybe other items such as the ferro rod don't work in the situation that you have. So there you have it, all the items in this Emergency Fire Kit Capsule. That's all I could really fit inside, but I think it's all the essentials you need for an emergency fire kit. If you've got any suggestions or ideas for other things in the kit, or maybe I should replace some things, do let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.